Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will be answering the question, is there a screenshot story notification on Instagram? Is it true or not? So the first thing that we can do is we can go on my second account, which is this account right here, and let's screenshot a story. So let's go to the story. Let's screenshot it like that, right? Right now we screenshotted the story. Right now, what we can do is I can actually log into this account and see if we got the screenshot notification. So let's go to this account here. Once we're on this account right here, what we can do is I can go to home. And obviously, currently I'm not seeing any notifications here. If we go here, we can see, yeah, we didn't get anything. And if we go here, we can see close friends, right? We don't see any notifications. So it's pretty much not true, right? A lot of people are saying, is there a screenshot notification on Instagram or not? It's currently not available yet, but what you can do is if you go, for example, on a second story, you can like a story, and then the second account will get a story notification that you like their story, right? But that's the only thing, the only notification you can get with stories. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Next time you're screenshotting a story, you won't get a notification, or the other person won't get the notification on Instagram. Now, I hope this video is still somewhat helpful. I know it's not the answer you're probably looking for, but yeah, if you like this video, again, like it down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.